Hey y'all, it's Morgan from All Things Automotive. Today we're going to be looking at a 2015 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LTZ in a gray exterior. I would like to mention this vehicle does have minor damage on the Carfax. We're going to walk around and show you some features, advantages, and benefits of owning this gorgeous vehicle. Starting here at the front end, you will notice the gray grille insert with chrome trim. Along the bottom, you will notice your black accents with running fog lights, as well as your black towing hooks. And take a look at those gorgeous LED headlights. As we make our way to the side, you will notice light new tires all the way around, just like every other vehicle here, All Things Automotive. A couple things to point out on the exterior, you will have turn signal indicators, as well as running boards. Moving forward, we'll go ahead and show you guys the interior. The interior of this vehicle will come with a premium black leather, along with a black dash. While we're in here, we'll go ahead and get out the inspection sheet to show you guys the tire depth as well as the brakes. For your tire depth, you have 9 and 32 seconds all the way around. And for your brakes, the front pads will be 13 and 32 seconds, and your rear pads will be 12 and 32 seconds. In the back seat, that premium black leather interior will stay the same. Not to mention, you will have a pull-down middle console here with 2 cup holders. And on the back of the center console, you will have 2 storage areas as well as a 12-volt plug-in. Coming here to the rear of this vehicle is equipped with a hitch and receiver. It is also equipped with a backup camera and a bed cover. While we're back here, we'll go ahead and drop the tailgate to show you guys the bed size. Making our way now to some of the interior features of this vehicle, it will come equipped with power windows, power mirrors, power locks, seat memorization, and power seat adjustments. Hopping on in, let's go ahead and start this vehicle up for y'all. You will notice that this vehicle will come with just under 54,000 miles on it. To the left of your steering wheel, you will have your 4-wheel drive options, as well as your dash brightness and your automatic headlights and fog light options. The left knob here behind your steering wheel will be your windshield wipers, as well as your turn signals and your bright lights. You will have your gear shifter here on the right side behind the steering wheel. On the left side of your steering wheel, you will have your cruise control, as well as a heated steering wheel. And on the right side of your steering wheel, you will have your dashboard options, as well as your talking options. Coming here to the center, you will have a large touchscreen display equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth ready. You will also have navigation. And as I mentioned earlier, you will also have a backup camera. You will also have your climate control options here in the center, as well as your traction control and your parking sensors. You will also have heated and cooled seats. You will have a storage area here with a 12-volt plug-in, USB plug-in, and a 115-volt plug-in. You will also have 2 cup holders and a large center console. To end off the interior features up top, you will have a sunglass holder, as well as your lighting options and your sunroof options. Taking a look underneath the hood, you will find a 6.2L V8F OHV 16V engine. Notice too that our engine bays come extremely clean and well maintained. If you have any evidence of oil or exhaust leaks. For the final portion of this video, we're going to walk around and show you any imperfections you may find. Starting here at the front end, you will have a couple of stone chips. Here on the passenger side of the bed, you will have a couple of chips. Here on the rear driver's side door, you will also have a couple chips. These are all pre-owned vehicles here, All Things Automotive. However, we believe in minimizing them as much as possible. That's all I have for y'all today on this 2015 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LTZ in a gray exterior. Please hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated on any new vehicle here at All Things Automotive. If you have any questions, please call 717-485-4224, option 1 for sales, or just go ahead and stop by to see us at 21518 Great Cove Road in McCollensburg, PA.